All right, Glam, so you all see the finished product of her hair, me taking out the twist. I did not untangle them all the way because it does help with me retwisting, and that also helps leave with the definition. But stay tuned for this tutorial on how I was able to achieve this look. As you all see, her twists are super defined, super shiny. Look at that. The definition is there. So without further ado, please stay tuned. All right, Glams, we are back. If you are new to this channel, please click that red subscribe button below. And we just want to tell you all thank you as we have been continuing in this mini series on how I pre-poo as well as deep condition. Now I'm on to styling her hair. I have been getting some questions about that. So now we're on to the styling, and I'm just going to be going in and just twisting her hair. If you have been following me, you all know that's pretty much how I maintain her hair, and I credit it to the length because I don't do a whole lot of manipulation. I don't do a whole lot of styling with their hair. So basically I'm going to be using the same conditioner,
Tresemee Expert Botanique Conditioner.
I'm going to be using that, and I'm going to seal it all in and oil her scalp with this Blue Magic coconut oil. Hair, it says conditioner on there, but you all know my thoughts on that. Greases are not conditioners. They are sealants to seal the conditioner in. So I'm just going to be going through and just sectioning her hair. So I'm going to turn the chair around this way for you all to see. And I have a rat tail comb to pretty much help me section the hair. And the parts, they're going to be somewhat straight, but if they're not super straight, that's fine as well, because her hair is so thick, you're not even going to be able to see the parts once I untwist. And I'm just pretty much going through, and I'm going to create a bang right here. So I'm just taking some sectioning out her hair for the bang part. And I go in with the hair grease, and as you all see, I've dove in this product tremendously. And I'm just going to take like a pea-size amount, and I'm just going to oil the scalp. Just put it on the scalp. And just work it and massage it in. And I also have a spray bottle of water on hand as well. That's just to help kind of like keep the hair kind of damp. And I'm just going to go in with the Tresemee conditioner and just apply it down the hair shaft. And I'm just doing 2-strand twists all over her hair. Correction, all over her head. And just as you all see, just working this product in. Working the product in. And being that I detangled her hair before, which is in the previous video, this part is not going to be as much as time consuming for as like with the detangling. It's just going to consume some of my time with just going through all this hair and sectioning off and twisting it. So now that I pretty much have the hair coated with conditioner, I'm going to seal it in with the hair grease. So again, taking a pea-size amount, and I'm just going to go down the hair shaft and seal it all in. Seal all this conditioner in. And depending on the density and the thickness of your hair, you can apply more or less. I mainly use a pea size for each one of her sections because her hair is so coarse and so thick. So I have to be a little bit heavy-handed. Now, if you are have much finer and a looser curl pattern like I do, I'm not as heavy-handed. So just kind of like know your hair. And I have a blog post on what to do and my thoughts about hair greases. Are they good or are they bad? So I'm gonna have a link in that description box as well below on my thoughts about that. So I'm just going on to the side now. conditioner, but that's all going to dissipate once we get done. So I will do the takedown in the morning, and I will see you all then. All right, Glam. So we are back, and her hair is pretty much dry. As you all see, she did sleep kind of wild, but that's fine. I'm just going to do the takedown of the twist out. So I'm just going to go through and just start taking out the sections. And her hair in some areas is still a little bit damp, but that's fine. I'm just taking them out one by one. And I'm not unraveling them all the way because I still want them to kind of like have their definition a little bit. And that also helps the style last a whole lot longer too. As well as when I go back to retwist, the sections are pretty much there. And her hair smells so good. I use the, show them what I use.
Tresemee Expert Botanique series.
I use the Tresemee Expert Botanique series. Very good conditioner. I went in with the deep conditioner, and I use it as a styler as well. And as you all see, the white part did diminish in her hair. No white residue, and her hair is shiny. And look at my hands. I mean, you do see some of the shine on my hand. I was kind of heavy-handed with the grease, but that's what I want so that moisture can retain in there. And just making sure I untwist all the twist. And just take a little bit of conditioner and go on the edges. Like I said, she did sleep kind of wild last night. And we're pretty much done. I'm just going to get ready. We're about to actually go to church. So this is her style right here. And again, if you are new to this channel, click that red subscribe button below. Until then, next time, G.L.A.M.s, be blessed and
be glamorous.